Today we're making a really simple drink that ends up tasting really, really good. Stay tuned and find out what we do.
Right, because we're not going to
Who
give you the
doesn't like
recipe.
one of those?
Because if we give them the recipe, then they wouldn't have to watch. I remember that.
Yes.
Welcome to Cognac Cocktails. Dan, Ian, Derek, we're going to make for you the French Connection. It's that simple.
Yes.
2 drink, two spirit, no special moves. It's a rocks glass. Put ice in it, add cognac to it, add Amaretto to it, and then drink it. Why is that cork so whack?
Probably old. How long you had this cognac for?
So that's
Either somebody ate it.
it's not mine. So my dojo instructor handed it to me. He said, "Do you want this?" Because he doesn't even drink. So why he has something?
Oh, that's where we got that. I'm like, how did we get that?
I think there might be cork inside of it. So
Yes.
It may be cork.
I don't know if you want to put it through a strainer.
Yeah.
Why, you don't like pork?
Yeah.
But it's
Jen likes
the
cork.
thing is, it's a VSOP.
No, it's not cork. It's another.
It's
Close though. Yeah, there's cork in here.
nice. So, you know what? I bet you he broke the cork. The other half is inside.
Yes.
This happens.
Or he just gnawed on it after drinking.
But he doesn't even drink. So he
Oh.
had, who knows how long he's had this thing, because he doesn't drink alcohol. So probably somebody people will bring stuff, they bring it to your house or whatever. Then they drink some of it, and then they leave, and you end up with this thing, and you don't drink.
Yeah. I have a case of Heineken at my house that I'm never going to drink.
I probably had a few Coors and Coronas. And
I've got it. Yeah.
Dos
Polish
Equis.
beer.
Polish beer, yeah.
A lot of liquor got drank, though, I'll have to say.
My life's looking like too
So people bring beer and drink liquor. Good deal.
That's what happens, right? Jesus Christ. I thought I already looked at the fucking eclipse.
Is it better now? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's true. Everybody brings their stuff, and then we make them cocktails, so they drink all the cocktails. So then they don't remember their name, and then they don't drink the rest of the stuff, or we don't let them.
And then Derek
Or
uses
somebody clears
every
it.
glass that I have in my house.
Because everybody had one. No one had 2 glasses. I only got 1 per person. And then the other lady cleared them off the table and onto the ground in pieces.
Yes.
So then there were those, and we get more
You
glasses.
just gotta invite that other girl Wyman dated for a while.
We gotta invite the Italian.
Or just use red solo cups if somebody hasn't been to your house for like 5 times.
Exactly.
It's a red solo cup night. Yeah.
So the recipe is 1.5 ounces of cognac, 1 ounce of Amaretto. So it's cognac heavy. So this is just like a way of not just drinking cognac, because that would make you a problem.
Right. So
You're alcoholic or something.
So you add some alcohol to it, and it becomes less of a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's sweet alcohol. I saw this when I was going through. I'm like, first off, we don't use cognac very much. Secondly, we love Amaretto. We used it. We drank that whole bottle last week. And I was like, how bad can it be? I think this one was from IBA's website for the International Bartender Association. By the way, our Patreon,
Those actually go together pretty good.
our executive
The
producer
cognac and the Amaretto.
is
try.
Matthew Mason. You wanted some cork?
No, I just wanted a little glass.
You probably want to filter it.
He'll be okay. He's made out of Western Massachusetts stuff.
Yeah. I've had cork before.
It's funny because it's not that. It's like the honey. What's that?
Grand
The
Jaeger?
rusty nail.
Oh, rusty nail. Yeah, and I think the Amaretto and the cognac, they pair pretty well. Interestingly enough, because cognac has that little, it's a little different flavor
It's
than
not
like a
too
whiskey.
oaky.
Yeah.
It's
That's what I want to see.
got some
What does
citrus
this taste
flavor
like by
to it.
itself?
And we never drink cognac, and we never come up with a reason to drink cognac.
No, we thought we were going to do a whole show on cognac.
Yes.
And then I drank all the stuff I bought.
And then you
to bring
drank it
over.
all.
And leaving us with zero
Actually,
cognac.
I have some of the Pierre Ferrand cognac at home still.
You could buy that here.
Yep.
In New Hampshire too.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh.
It's VSOP. It's even better than the Courvoisier
Because it's
original.
VS, VSOP, XO.
Because we have the VS.
XXO. Is that
Also,
the
this is better.
Yeah,
than that.
I mean, just look at the shape. This is supposed to be the shape around your ass. That one's putting your into your bar, right? Like this is like for on the job training. You just
right?
put it
That's
in
good.
here.
It's a little sweet. I mean,
A little sweet.
Amaretto
I mean,
sweet.
this-
Yeah, it's gonna be sweet.
It's almost half Amaretto. It's 40% Amaretto.
It's not as sweet as say, like I feel it's not as sweet as like a Midori sour. Although I don't know why. Maybe because of the sour, the egg white kind of
It dries it out a little bit.
dries it out, and like it feels sweeter. But this should be freaking sweet. Like that's a lot of amaretto.
I feel like it's sweet.
It's sweet.
Really?
Oh,
Yeah.
it's definitely sweet. You don't think it's sweet?
I mean, it's sweet, but it's
not
too
syrupy.
balanced. Yeah, it's not syrupy sweet.
I mean, there's no sour in there. There's no
I think this is how I'm always going to drink cognac.
with amaretto.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
And it doesn't taste exactly like amaretto typically tastes. Like that cherry flavor doesn't seem to be there as much. It's almost like almondy.
I think
instead
that
of
I
cherry.
think that's like how it's playing with the
Yeah.
cognac a little bit.
That's tasty. So sweeter people, if you want to sit down and have a very simple drink to make that's not just pure spirit, I would say you just drink cognac. And if that's too strong for you, you just obviously naturally should add disaronno. And
Yeah, I mean-
you can keep your. Wow, my ass is cold now from the Courvoisier in my pocket.
It's our ringing endorsement.
Yeah.
Gracier, it'll make your ass cold.
Make your ass cold. By the way, a little bit of history since I bothered to write it. It was a 2-part drink that first appeared in the early 1970s, and it was titled for the Gene Hackman film called The French Connection. It's like The Godfather, which I believe is a Scotch drink that's similar to that. After dinner drink. So something to sip on if you're not into Bailey's after dinner, which I enjoy, but I don't do that after dinner either. But I feel like it would be a good time.
I guess if you want something sweet, like
If somebody
you want
offered
some-
me Bailey's after dinner, I'd be cool with it. But I'm not like, I don't go and have like dinner and be like, you know what I need right now? Bailey's. Like that doesn't just happen to me. But,
Yeah.
so
So
there
you
you
don't
go.
turn it down.
No! No, you never turn it down.
No.
That's it, my friend. Sidebar. There's going to be some more cocktails. And then down below, the bartender starter kit at houseofdrinks.com where you should go to get your stuff at my store. Do that now. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.